Hello friends, with concern to the South Asian region, the most important organization for the regional cooperation and development is the SAARC. Welcome you all, I am Rameshwar and today we talk about SAARC, that is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. So there are 8 member countries for the SAARC and the head office or the secretariat office of SAARC is located at Kathmandu, Nepal. So be with me to know all the concerns for the SAARC. Hello friends, welcome to our 8th session for economic and social views, and in which we talk about the most important regional cooperative organization, that is SAARC. SAARC stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. So here the main aim of the SAARC is towards the South Asia's empowerment. Okay, so चलिए बढ़ते हैं आज के सेशन में. The main contents today we are going to discuss is nothing but the background by which SAARC got established. Apart from that, the organization structure for SAARC, the SAARC membership, currently as there are 8 members for SAARC, then followed by that future perspective with concern to the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे the main background behind the SAARC. यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखिए, when we say SAARC, so it is definitely a regional intergovernmental organization, because here different types of countries are involved with concern to regional cooperation. ठीक है, SAARC contributes 3% of world area, 21% of population and 4.21% of the economy. That is the figure of 2019-20. यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखिए द मेजर बैकग्राउंड कब से आया ये, फ्रॉम 1970s ऑनवर्ड. 1970s में इन सब कंट्रीज की एक मीटिंग हुई थी फॉर द फ्री ट्रेड एरिया ऑफ द साउथ एशिया. साउथ एशिया में फ्री ट्रेड एरिया करने के लिए मीटिंग की गई थी फ्रॉम द 1970s ऑनवर्ड. सो दीज आर द रूट्स बिहाइंड द SAARC. इसके बाद इट वॉज स्टार्टेड इन 8 December 1985. So the started date on 8 December 1985 in Dhaka. Keep in mind it is started in Dhaka, but now the head office of the SAARC or the secretariat of the SAARC is at Kathmandu, Nepal. Fine. Currently there are 8 member countries, उस बारे में मैं आगे बताऊंगा, and there are 9 observers for the SAARC. SAARC के लिए 9 observers है. देखिए कौन कौन से: ऑस्ट्रेलिया, चाइना, यूरोपियन यूनियन, ईरान, Japan, Republic of Korea, Mauritius, Myanmar and the United States of America. So these 9 observers are there with concern to SAARC. Okay, so apart from that यहाँ पे एक बात है कि more members, 2 countries are requesting for the SAARC. मतलब और 2 members ने SAARC में एंट्री के लिए ऑलरेडी आवेदन रिक्वेस्ट कर चुके हैं. कौन कौन से हो? म्यांमार एंड चाइना. बट स्टिल दे आर नॉट द मेंबर. मतलब उनमें रिक्वेस्ट की है पर उनका अभी प्रोसीड नहीं हुआ है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट 2 मेंबर्स आर रिक्वेस्टेड फॉर ऑब्जर्वर पोजीशन. 2 members requested for observer position. Which are these? One is the Russia and another one is the Turkey. Okay, so these 2 countries requested for observer position. आज के कंडीशन में कितने ऑब्जर्वर है? 9 ऑब्जर्वर्स आर देयर. ये इन दोनों ने रिक्वेस्ट की है और मेंबर कंट्रीज 8 है. उसके अलावा म्यांमार और चाइना ने रिक्वेस्ट की है. फाइन. Then next we talk about the SAARC members. Now this is one of the trick by which you are aware about the SAARC. सबसे पहली बात, there are 8 countries in the SAARC. ठीक है, तो अब उसके लिए एक फुल फॉर्म बन गया हमारे पास MBBS. इसको आप पेन कह सकते हैं, पानी कह सकते हैं, आप आपके हिसाब से इसको ढांच सकते हैं. अब देखिए MBBS, M stands for मालदीव, भूटान, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका. So this stands for MBBS is in pain. As P for the Pakistan, A Afghanistan, I India and N Nepal. Keep in mind the last member, or we could say the 8th member of the SAARC country is the Afghanistan. Afghanistan is SAARC की 8वीं कंट्री थी and it is a member since 2005. 2005 में अफगानिस्तान लास्ट मेंबर हुआ था. So that is one of the trick to know the SAARC countries. MBBS, मालदीव, भूटान, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका. PAN, Pakistan, Afghanistan, India and Nepal. These are the 8 countries in the South Asian region. Fine. Now we talk about the organization structure with concern to SAARC. Keep in mind the secretariat head of the SAARC ये कहाँ पे आता है? काठमांडू, नेपाल. And it got established on 16th January 1987. So the secretariat established on 1987 while SAARC established कब हुआ था? 1985. ये आप ध्यान में रखें. ठीक है, so currently the secretariat is Isalaruwan Wirekun. He is from Sri Lanka and he is the 14th secretariat of the SAARC. Fine. Now apart from that, secretariat body, there are 4 important bodies of SARC, and which are these? So first one is the SARCO is at Pakistan, SARC Development Fund is at Bhutan, SARC Asian University SAU is at New Delhi, India, South Asian Regional Standard Organization SARSO is at Dhaka, Bangladesh. So these are the 4 important secretariat body of the SARC. Now we talk about some of the important objectives of SARC. The first and primemost is क्या है वो? To promote welfare of the people. Definitely here we have to promote the welfare of the people, so that why it is important? Because we have to improve the quality of their life, we have to improve the standard of their living, and hence we have to improve the per capita income. So ये एक प्रकार की हमारे साइकिल हो गए, ठीक है. To accelerate economic growth, we could say per GDP contribution could be increased from this concern. Then to contribute mutual trust and understanding among all 8 member countries. हमें हर एक को एक दूसरे से जोड़ के रखना है. We have to cooperate in a better manner to promote collective self-reliance with concern to the global world. Fine. To empower active collaboration in all areas, हमें यहाँ पे सब एरिया में active collaboration among the all 8 countries, maybe the economic, political, social, traditional, technological, इन हर एक एरिया में we have to make collaborative efforts, मतलब सबको साथ लेके आगे जाना है. Cooperation at all level, maybe at the domestic level, regional level, national और international level, हर जगह पे हमें एक दूसरे को cooperate करना है. Now we talk about some of the important things which are used or which are asked for the SARC purpose. First thing, the motto. मोटो ये बहुत कम जगह पे दिखा जाता है. मोटो ऑफ सार्क, व्हाट इज द मोटो? डीपर इंटीग्रेशन फॉर पीस एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी. इट मींस द रीजनल कोऑपरेशन इज एट द डीपेस्ट लेवल और इज एट द ग्रास रूट लेवल. हम जुड़े हुए हैं इन ऑल एरियाज विद कंसर्न टू द साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज. ओके, देन हु प्रपोज्ड द सार्क कंसेप्ट? सो Zia-ul Rahman from Bangladesh, he is the person who proposed the concept of SARC. The summit, यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखिए, 19th and 20th summit of SARC to be held at Pakistan, but ये boycott की गई थी. So currently only 18th summit SARC की हो चुकी है. 19th and 20th जो शेड्यूल थी पाकिस्तान में वो boycott की चुकी है, ठीक है. So the logo of SARC, it is designed by Shailendra Kumar Maharajan from Nepal. He is the person who designed the logo of SARC. देखिए लोगो में इन्होंने क्या किया है? 2 hands are integrated together. Okay, so this is the logo where hand represents a integrative collaboration of all 8 countries. But जब सार्क बना था तो उसमें 7 कंट्रीज थी. That's why आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं there are 7 polygons. यहाँ पे कितने polygons है टोटल? 7 polygons है, क्योंकि अफगानिस्तान 2005 किया गया, अफगानिस्तान यहाँ से जुड़ा है. So these are the 7 polygons represents each country, ठीक है. Then followed by that, here this is the Buddha's eye. It means peace and prosperity towards the integration of all nations. ठीक है. Then this is the thumb who integrates all persons, all teams or all members at one thing. That's why this is the logo of SARC. ठीक है. And finally, we talk about some of the important perspective with concern to SARC. Free trade area among the Southeast Asia nation. ठीक है. यही आप अच्छे से ध्यान में रखिए. We have to have the Southeast Asia region. इन रीजन में फ्री ट्रेड एरिया करना चाहेंगे. इस हिसाब से that could be a greater opportunity to the people living in that particular territory. Here SAPTA stands for typically SARC Preferential Trading Agreement, SAPTA. Okay, so that will be there from 1995 onwards. Apart from that, SARC Agreement on Trade in Services, that is SETIS, and SARC University. We know the SARC University is at New Delhi, India. ठीक है. Then neighborhood first. So that is the motto that we have to welfare. और हम सबको आगे बढ़ना है, पर उसमें सबसे ज्यादा कौन आएगा? Who is the neighbor of us? So neighborhood first, welfare of the neighborhood is at first instance, ठीक है. And certain limitations इसमें ये थे कि some of the countries which have terrorism charges like Pakistan, so all members boycotted the thing. That's why the integrative way could not be in a better manner, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगर कुछ कंट्री के खिलाफ करप्शंस के चार्जेस से, टेररिज्म के चार्जेस से, सो डेफिनेटली हम उसे अच्छे तरीके से नहीं बढ़ सकते हैं. सो दैट इज द रीजन, मेन रीजन इज द टेररिज्म इन सम ऑफ द कंट्रीज like Pakistan. Okay, and if you want to catch me, these are my details. Okay friends, I think today's session is definitely useful to you. So these are some of the important points you have to keep in mind with concern to SAARC. In our next session, we try to cover the important aspects of ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nation. So definitely be with me for the next session. Till then, thank you.